Let me take you through the steps of painting this typewriter in watercolor. I start with a light graphite pencil drawing on watercolor paper, and then using a large synthetic pointed brush, I paint large areas of light tone, and while they're still wet, I can paint dark areas and let those edges blend. You'll notice that when I did that first wash, I painted around the highlights, like the highlight on the handle of that coffee cup, and the white of the paper that's in the typewriter. I can paint the front plane and the side planes of the typewriter, and then add in some of the darks, and then work in some of the background color. Instead of painting this in black and white, I'm using the simplest possible color combination, which is blue and brown, or in this case, Payne's Gray, a blue-black, and Sepia, a dark brown. I'm freehanding the straight lines, making them as straight as I can, and also in perspective. And that's especially important as I paint the keys. I'm painting them systematically, first painting the spaces between the rows of keys. And while I have that color on the brush, I'll put in a few other little details. The next thing will be to paint the front planes of the keys. And then I want to do the tops of the keys, and then the spaces between them. So this kind of systematic approach is especially good if you're doing mechanical form like this that has a lot of parallel surfaces. Okay, thanks for watching. You might want to check out my website or subscribe to my channel. And then here's a playlist with more good stuff and a video that continues the story. So check them out and share with your friends.